Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Thursday, the 13th of April. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. The US core CPI grew 38 bips in March, down from 45 bips in February, and it was the lowest monthly print since November. The year-over-year core inflation rate is still high at 5.6%, but the highlight was the significant drop in shelter inflation in March, from 76 bips down to 56 bips. The weakening trend in market rents is finally feeding through into this largest component of core CPI. Rising goods inflation offset a portion of shelter decline in March, and this dynamic is likely to continue over the next few months, given the recent rise in wholesale used vehicle prices. However, this upward pressure on goods prices is likely to be short-lived, and we are likely to see overall core CPI inflation falling into the mid 3% range, probably by the end of the year. Overall, this CPI report, combined with the still somewhat tight labor market, probably points towards a 25 bips rate hike in the coming month, followed by a potential pause after. Staff report from the FOMC minutes release indicates that they are now forecasting a mild recession in this year. Thus, the S&P 500 index opened higher, but edged lower during the day and closed near the day lows. US 10-year yield had been turning weaker over the last 36 hours, indicating potential peak in rates and lackluster growth prospects. This is not an environment to go aggressive on risky assets. So once again, we advocate our safe strategy with US 10-year yield facing resistance around 3.6%. We prefer bonds over equities and continue to see multi-asset income strategies as an attractive and diversified way to navigate a challenging global growth outlook. We like high-quality government bonds here and would reduce exposure to high-yield debt. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.